I work a lot with language models myself and with natural language processing and all these kind of things. And I think one of the interesting challenges that I came upon yesterday was the multilinguality, for example, here in India. And this is very similar to what we also have in Europe, where there's a lot of small countries with small, low-resource languages, and like how to tackle that from a technical perspective, how to tackle it from also a regulatory perspective. But I also see it's interesting to see that there's clearly some dilemmas that we have. So, some of the things in the way how this technology is developed currently does not necessarily align with some of the objectives and the policymakers. So it's an exciting time. There is many unknowns, and it's important to talk about them and be very explicit. The potential is huge. India produces so much data, and there is a lot of talent actually to also build these things. So there is a huge capacity. I think what we also see from many of the startups that I talked with here is this really interesting way of building upon open solutions, upon open source solutions, really using the communities out there to develop things that are really needed. And I think it can really enable and facilitate a lot of cool applications for people in India, in healthcare, in education, in agriculture. So all of these places where this customization that AI may provide can actually be very beneficial. It is important to do it in a safe way, in a reliable way. And maybe the challenge or the future will be this balancing of forging ahead, being very optimistic, really doing it, and then on the other hand, still thinking, okay, should we be doing all of it right away? And again, it's about the dialogue. It's about creating this common understanding and the right policies.